And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set different notification sounds for different apps on Samsung phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. The first thing you do is go to the app whose notification sound you want to assign or change. For example, let's say I want to do that for WhatsApp. Press down on it like this, tap on the app info icon, and then next thing you do is tap on notifications. Then you tap on in-app notification settings. Then you can choose the notification tone you want. Choose the one you want. Once it's through, you go back. Choose if you want to vibrate or not. So that's for messages. Choose for group. Same thing for group over here. You can also choose for sound. Now this doesn't work for every single app, just those apps that have the option. It's as simple as that.